Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Iswan here again. So today I'm going to show you how to make a soap base. So a soap base is like making soap from the scratch. This is what you are going to use later for your different kinds of soaps. You can cut them up, melt it in the microwave, and add colors and smells and everything you want. So let's just get started. So first of all, I am going to need some oil, and I have here vegetable oil. This is 1 liter. Next, I have about 200 ml of coconut oil, and I've got here about 100 grams of shea butter, and I'm also going to be using some olive oil. So to start, you must wear your protective gears. So I'm going to wear my gloves. You should also protect your eyes and your skin, and you must do this in an open area and make sure you don't have kids around. So we're definitely going to use some sodium hydroxide, and I'm going to measure about 500 grams. Next, I'll put all my oils together in a pan. I must apologize for this. I did lose my footage when I mixed the sodium hydroxide with the distilled water, so I did fix this in to let you know how I actually did this. This is another footage from a video I made, and in that video I used goat's milk instead of distilled water. So this is basically how I did it. I got my distilled water, and I did come in with the sodium hydroxide, and I mixed very gently. So as you can see here, I have mixed the distilled water with the sodium hydroxide, and I'll allow it to cool down. And mind you, this is going to get very hot, so it's best you do this outside, and it is going to give off a pungent smell. Make sure you're not using the plastic bowl because it can get very hot. So I'll give it a gentle mix and just leave it alone for it to cool down. When it gets to about 36 to 40 degrees Celsius, it is ready to be used. So I'll heat my oils slightly to the same temperature. Afterwards, I'll add my sodium hydroxide solution to the oils. And with the help of a hand blender, I'll just mix it up. I'll mix it up till I get to trace. Trace is when it mixes up very well and it forms the soap. So as you can see, it has mixed up very well. Next, I'll come in with my essential oil. This will add some smell to it, and I'll give it a final mix. I will get a plastic bowl and just transfer my liquid soap into it, and I'll leave it alone to cure for about a week. The soap gets harder as the days go by, and with this measurement I got about 4 kilograms of soap. So it's been after a week, and as you can see, our soap is ready. So since this is a soap base, you can just cut it up and just melt it in the microwave and add whatever you want to it. But don't get me wrong, this is a soap anyway, and as you can see, I'm using it to wash my hands. It lathers great and it feels good on your skin. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you know how to make a soap base now, and you are definitely going to give this a try. Don't forget to do this in an open area and keep it away from kids. So if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.